Hey everyone, Eric with Rockin' H TV, Rockin' H Farm Toys. Tonight we are working on our Roadrunner trailer. We're going to clean it and we're going to prime it. I have my heater fired up so we can warm up the brass, get the lacquer thinner that I'm going to be using to clean it, dry it off of it and evaporate it off. Shouldn't take too long. And then we will get to spraying some primer on it. Okay, this is just plain old lacquer thinner. And I actually cleaned it out yesterday because it was a mess. So all I'm doing with this lacquer thinner here, and I'm going to show you what I'm doing, and then I'm going to I got an old toothbrush, just kind of scrubbing. I'm not getting real crazy here, guys. We just want to get all the impurities off of there, a lot of that. You don't have to use lacquer thinner, you could use paint thinner. Anything that's going to remove oils off of your brass is what you want to use. We're going to take this over to the heater. We're going to supercharge it by evaporating off any leftover lacquer thinner. And we'll just warm it up so the primer sticks to it a little bit better. Now we can get ourselves ready to go on the whole painting business. I think ideally you'll want to let this sit for a little longer than I am, but because dead air time drives me nuts, and I'm sure you guys want more to do than just to hear me go on and on about things, so whoops, we'll go ahead and just get it going. I don't know if you can see this very well, but like right on the inside in between those stringers, it's not perfect that I didn't get it perfectly coated in between those stringers. I'm not too concerned about that. I mean, it's not like we're driving heavy machinery over it or anything, right? We're just, whoops. Got to clean my sprayer out. There we go. That's that, guys. We are done for now. So while you guys are not going to be watching me this week, I'm going to go ahead and put the black on it. It's just going to be gloss black, nothing fancy. So you really don't need to watch me paint this thing black, I don't think. But what I really want to do is get to next week where we go ahead and put the accessories on it. We'll put the decking on it, the ramps and the wheels and a lot of the stuff. Even find a pair of fenders if we can put those over, and get some fenders over the rear tires. I know the real ones have fenders. We'll put some fenders on this. So guys, that is it for tonight. Thank you for liking, commenting, and sharing. And I'll be back next week. We'll finish up this trailer, call it a ball game, and then we'll get on to the next project after that.